Hello everyone, this is Mia from Redcase Official. Now I will show you how to use the TD108 watch receiver functions. Now I have already turned it on, and this is the menu, up and down and the back. So press the menu short to enter the functions. Okay, you can see in the area 1, and there is one call button. So I can short press the menu to delete it first. Okay, you can see there's 0. And in the area 2, and it has one call button as well. So I will delete it, this one. Okay, now there's no buttons. If there are buttons, it will show here the total number. Now I will press this one. You can see it successfully. Okay, and let's check it. Okay, it works. You can see it's not working because it didn't pair. Okay, let's pair this one to the area 2. You can see there's one button and total 2. So let's check it. For this one, it's cold, and this one's barbecue. And this one is pay. So when you press cancel, it will not work. And you can press this one to cancel all these 3 calls. Now let me show you how to change the name of the key. Okay, first let's check this one. It's bill. Go to the menu, confirm. Okay, let's change it to order. And at this time, press this one. Okay, you can see it successfully. Okay, it's order. Now, for this 4 keys, and you can pair like this as well. As we can see, this is order, this is barbecue, and this is pay. So we're gonna change it. I'll check this one, kitchen. Okay, successfully. Check. Juice. Okay. You can see it changes. And juice. And that is way how to pair the one key call button and multi-key call buttons. And for the key defines, it totally has 30 names, so you can change it according to your needs. Press the up and down to check the